This short workout has me doing high intensity impact training. The high intensity impact training I'm doing is hitting this tire with my sledgehammer. So I go over the head, then to the side, over the head, to the side. So I'm really working the majority of my upper body while I'm doing this as well. Get my back muscles in, and then also when I swing to the side, it works on my obliques as well. And you know, it elevates my heart rate, so it helps me burn calories and whatnot. Facts. That's where I do my best thinking. We were all created uniquely and individually with our own gift to bring to the world. Now what happens when we stop being an authentic version of ourselves is that we become a carbon copy, and the gift that we have will not be achieved because instead of being who we are, we're trying to be someone else. Be yourself. Lift that sledgehammer and hit that tire. Little play on words. High intensity impact training. Let's do it. This portion of my HIIT workout is done. Thank you for watching. Come check me out again soon at AKRME Fitness.